Morning. Welcome back to the channel here at Basin Motorsports. So it's early Saturday, just before 7, and I'm headed to another car show. So the third weekend in September is the Benefit for the Basin show down in Klamath Falls. Now this is a charity here locally that I've worked with in the past. They do a car show every year as kind of their major fundraising draw. So as you can see behind, I think it said it was 31 currently. It was 30 a little bit ago. It went up. 31 today. No, just right now. So I'm about to jump in the WideFox, drive down there, threw the windshield wipers on because this mist is going to make the windshield nice and wet. So threw on the wipers and we're ready to go. We'll get there and then get the car wiped down because it's dirty. It's been dirty for a while getting the Suburban wrap done. And it's going to be a good day though. It's going to be a good day. Hang on, we're going there. So we made it down into the show. Now the WideFox is already wiped down and it's probably about like 10:30 in the morning, so I've been here a couple hours already. Went over and saw Dave Kindig and KevDogg from the show Bitchin Rides. They're here this weekend. So I went, shook some hands, said hello, just introduced myself. And they have really 2 Corvettes here that are really nice, so I got some video of that. So the show is going to be kind of broken up differently. They are this year doing some grudge racing. Here it's a 0 to 100 foot, which I know doesn't sound like a lot, so it's basically a hole shot, and on the line is $1,000 in $2 bills. So they have a stack of 500 $2 bills to the winner. So we'll do some video of rounds to them. I think they're doing first and second round and then third, I'm not sure. So there'll probably be about 4 or 5 rounds of that. Really, it's kind of a slick track. It's basically the parking lot here at the fairgrounds with some concrete barriers on each side. So when that's done, I'll go ahead and walk around and show you guys some of the cars that are here. Some really nice cars, and I want to say maybe it's because Kindig's here and he announced that he'd be here. There are some cars here I haven't seen from like Northern California and that are really, really top level cars. So I'll walk around, show you guys what's up, and enjoy some music. We'll see what's going on here. But as you see, I'm at the fairgrounds. We got tractors here. Love the tractors. so the WideFox and I made it home just fine. No real issues. The only thing I had today is, for whatever reason, when you come to a stop pushing the clutch, kind of wants to die a little bit. That seems like it's more like the maybe the IAC, the idle air control valve, or possibly maybe something with the fuel. I'm also wondering if I need to change my fuel pressure regulator. And the only reason I say that is when, before when I kick it down in gear and try to accelerate, if it's been run a long time and it was kind of warm out, the fuel pressure, well, I should say it stutters. Now, I already changed the O2 sensors because they were already old and decrepit anyway. And I'm also wondering, maybe my fuel pressure regulator has started to go bad. They're pretty cheap. I think LMR's got them for like $35, $40 or something like that. So I may change one of those out. It's not a bad thing to change anyway. And I really don't need an adjustable one at this point because everything else is stock. So for that kind of money, I think that might be a good investment. So I'll look into that. Now, again, at the show today, they did have some grudge racing. I don't know who won. I actually didn't stay around for that much of the racing itself. I didn't win any awards. Really cool stuff, nor did I win the trailer or the car. Obviously, just me and the WideFox in here, in the garage. So for that, car show season, I think it's pretty much over. I'm not going to SEMA this year, so pretty much this week I'll get the gray lady pushed up in this spot where I'm standing, start getting the engine out, and try to get as much done with that as soon as I can. I'd like it to be done. I'd like it to be sold. Next year, I would really like to focus on the WideFox and doing a bunch of stuff there and working on some new tools and some other stuff. So we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. I really enjoyed it. Got to meet some new people, new local guy with a Fox coupe that does autocross and open track or some track days. May end up doing that with him next year, doing some twisty stuff. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you're new. Hope you stick around for a while. And all you old veterans, get ready. Got the Mustang build.